everybody. Welcome to a Well Home Wise Up. Today, we're going to talk about the automatic reversing function on your garage door. All garage doors are supposed to come with sensors on either side of the track and a feature built into them where they will reverse when they meet a certain amount of tension. Some don't. There's an adjustment on the actuator that will allow it to do that. So always check that, because when they don't reverse, they can crush or kill a small pet, a child, or a fogey. So remember, always check your reversing function, because as Andy says, not having the proper reversing function is not a good idea. Thank you. Okay, you can get me out of here.